Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I think I'm going to try I'm going to do a split base. On one end though, I'm just going to do kind of like how they just been kind of putting paints in just randomly however and then blowing it up. I'm going to do I take that back. For my white, I'm using Creative Inspirations Titanium White. I'm using Creative Inspirations Dioxazine Violet. Arteza's Pearl Rose Quartz. FolkArt's Metallic Amethyst. And Decoart's Extreme Sheen Pink Tourmaline. So what I'm going to do first is put down my white. And I'm trying to think. I want a lot of the colors down here, so I might bring it up to about here and then do this white here. All of my paints are mixed with Floetrol and a little bit of water, but mostly Floetrol. And I thank everybody for watching. Today is the day before Valentine's Day, and it's my birthday. We don't want to talk about how old I am because I'm old. Well, not really old, but when you're the one turning it, I'm old. Let's see, I think I'm gonna just, whoops, I have some here in my little. Going to kind of go around the edges here and get that real good so that way my canvas is all covered, because some of this white won't have anything going over, so I do want to make sure that my canvas is totally covered around the edges there. Sorry, just want to make sure I get everything good. I'm probably wasting and missing the canvas. On this side I can't see very well there. But so now I'll torch this. And I'm going to be using just some pretty pinks and purples. I've seen an artist, and I know I'm not going to say her name correct, Renskadona, something, I think that's how you say it, or I'm sorry if I do mispronounce it. I don't know if she watches my videos or anything, but just in case anybody else, I'm sorry. I'm terrible at pronouncing names, but once I use it more often, I'll remember. And then, so down here, I'm just gonna kind of just put some streaks randomly. A little bit here. Hopefully, I won't do like they do. It'll turn out good. She's amazing at Dutch pours. If you get a chance to check her videos out, please do, because she's just amazing. She's a real good teacher too. She explains things really well. Awesome lady. She's super nice. on her videos. She's really friendly and she's funny. And I don't know if I'm going to get all of the canvas totally full, but I get quite a bit, just so I'll use what I got here. May as well paint the table too while I'm at it. A little bit of this one left. This one left or not. All right, so move these out of the way here a little bit. And then I'm gonna put a little bit, oh, what did I do? I got something here. I'm going to put a little bit of white here because I'm going to blow it over just a little bit. Keep your fingers crossed. I love these colors, they're so pretty. And she makes it look pretty simple. Hopefully I don't have too much paint down here. That wouldn't be a first for me. I always tend to have too much paint. I need to learn how to, less is sometimes better, Amy. All right, now I'm gonna get my blow dryer. So I'm gonna blow a little bit of this white over here. Oh, see a little hair there. Well, maybe not. To pause for a second. Sorry about that, everybody. I had to get another extension cord. I forgot I took the one out from my blow dryer. Okay, so where was I? I was gonna blow some of this white over here, and then I'm just gonna blow it kind of all messy. So pretty. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of color in here and just kind of blow it out with my mouth. When you get little splatters here, you can just tap them. They'll go away. Well, I got some clear down here. Oh, hopefully I got a little bit of color left. Shoot, I should have thought about that. You always want to save a little bit of color if you can. This is really pretty. I like how the colors kind of intertwine, and then look, so we got some lacing starting up down there. I figured I would do a pour for my birthday. These are kind of my favorite colors, pinks and purples. If you watch my channel, I'm sure that you have figured that out already. I like that. Put a little bit there. It's pretty. Look at that lacing starting there. That's awesome. I think I'm gonna have to turn the canvas around a little bit. I want to put a little bit there, I think. Yeah, just a little bit. And I'm too short to lean all the way across the canvas, so sorry, I gotta spin it. Hopefully I put it back. You should be able to see everything here. This is the fun part where you kind of get to be a little bit more creative and add a little embellishment somehow or another with, you know, either adding more colors, blowing it out, doing different things. This is kind of where you can start to, if you want some swipes in there. Hopefully I get my bangs in so they don't go into the painting. Yes, that's so pretty. Now I'm going to torch it and see if we can get cells popping up down there. Beautiful. Here they're so pretty. Some going on here too. Go through and make sure get all my air bubbles. I don't want pinholes with white popping through any of this. Hopefully I'll go over here because I got some canvas. Hair. Cat hair. My cat was in here earlier and now That was a good one. I do want to say I apologize for my last video. If you watched it, I wasn't feeling very good. I probably shouldn't even painted at all that day. I wasn't very talkative, so I kind of just tried to let the music play because I really wasn't talking a lot. And so I apologize for that. I like to be more talkative on my videos. And I know you can't answer me back, but I feel like I'm talking to somebody. Hello. Let's see. I think I like it. These cells down here, lacing down here is really pretty. Gorgeous right there. That is absolutely gorgeous for the white. I should have maybe blown the white down a little bit further, but I didn't really want to make this, since I had it up so high, I didn't want to blow it down too far and then really make this kind of muddy looking. But I absolutely love it. See some more canvas that I missed over there. Always want to make sure you get it all. You don't want to have bare canvas. That won't look very nice. Especially if you have some colors coming over. This looks more professional if you got it all covered, but I do like it. Very pretty. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down so you can get a closer look. I don't know if you can see this little spot here. You can just kind of tap it and you can pull that color down so that way it blends, so you can't go through there and put white in. I'll have to make sure I get this corner here with some more purple. Want to always make sure that you get your drips down here too. I do it a couple times. I try to do it right away when I'm finished. Then I come back in about 15 minutes or so and check them. Do it again because you don't want your paints to be pulling over the sides. Like, you obviously want what you have going over, and that looks like that's what you wanted. But if you let the drips, it'll just keep pulling that paint over, and then it'll start looking like your paint was technically lopsided. And yeah, so let me cut these lights off here. I'll bring you over the other side. Whoops. Just look at all that pretty lacing. It's gorgeous. The colors are just beautiful. Look at all that lacing there. That's awesome. So pretty. You know what I forgot to do? Which I don't know if I can do it when I'm moving the camera. The camera. Bring some out without. That's what I was afraid of there. Sorry if I'm making you wobbly. And this is not nothing you have to do. It's just what I like to do them. I think they kind of make it your painting a little bit more funky. And I'm all about the funk. that purple. Dioxazine purple is like an amazing color. Can't go wrong. I like it. Alrighty, well, I do thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed my video. See all them drips down there? Look at how pretty that would be if I made magnets out of that. Oh my gosh. One day I'm going to start making them. Those are so pretty. All that pretty shimmer. I don't know if you can see it or not. That shimmer is gorgeous. Alright, well thanks for watching everybody. I hope you enjoyed my video. Little Miss Pink's over there pouting, wants to get out of the room. She's a pouter. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe if you would please. Help me build my channel up. Share with your friends. All my art is for sale. You can email me. I'll put my email in the description at amyscreativeacrylics@gmail.com. Also have an Etsy shop. I'll put that in the description as well. And my Instagram. I have a lot of paintings on there. A lot more on there that since before I started making videos. So if there's anything you like, you can DM me on Instagram or you can email me, either one. And thanks for watching. Hope everybody stays healthy and safe from COVID. Keep being creative. Bye.